Firestick remote volume not working? No worries, let's fix it step by step. Let's go. Step 1. Check your TV compatibility. First, make sure your TV supports HDMI CEC. Firestick uses HDMI CEC to control your TV's volume. Go to your TV settings and turn HDMI CEC on. Your TV brand may call it something different like AnyNet Plus for Samsung or Bravia Sync for Sony. Step 2. Check volume control settings in Fire TV. Now on your Fire TV, do this. Go to Settings, scroll to Equipment Control, tap on Manage Equipment, then TV, then Change TV. Select your TV brand again and let Firestick reconfigure your remote. This helps repair the volume control functions. Step 3. Repair your Firestick remote. Sometimes the remote gets disconnected. Here's how to repair it manually. Hold down the home button for 10 seconds. Wait for the remote to pair again. You should see a message pop up on the screen. Step 4. Replace batteries. Low batteries can cause the volume buttons to stop working. Even if other buttons work, replace the batteries with fresh ones. Use high-quality alkaline batteries, not rechargeables. Step 5. Restart everything. Restart your devices. Unplug your Fire TV stick, turn off your TV, wait 30 seconds, plug everything back in, then try your remote again. Step 6. Try a factory reset as last resort. If nothing works, reset your Firestick remote. Hold back and menu and left navigation button together for 15 seconds. Release and wait 1 minute. Repair the remote using the home button again. Bonus tip. Use the Fire TV app. Stuck without volume control? Download the Amazon Fire TV app on your phone. It lets you control volume input and more instantly. Thanks for watching.